to share with you this kind of the setup using geometry nodes. It's basically some kind of a design for imaginary pavilion. So it looks like a tunnel, right? You can kind of guess already it's how it's made, but it's basically like a tunnel, and then I can put like a light inside it, and we can have like a really wild kind of shadow. You might have seen this kind of effects on internet somewhere, but yeah, so the effect is real time. Currently it's rendering using Eevee. The radius, actually, if you want 0 kind of blur, you can change the radius to 0. If you want a little bit more blur with the light, you can increase the radius. So that's one thing. And you can quickly visualize the shadow where you put the light, and you can see the result. So let's keep it simple for now. Let's go back to original. Okay, I have something like this. This is basically some kind of dome that I created using a simple cone and cylinder. Okay, cylinder is the cutter. If you actually turn on hole tolerant, you get this tunnel. If I get rid of it, it's becoming just, like the outside. So maybe keep the tolerant, hole tolerant. If you don't want to see the instance for now, the instance looking very complicated, but if I get rid of it, if I just simply bypass everything, we only get this. Okay, it's very simple, just like a mountain, like a tunnel. So this I created using just a simple cone. I can adjust the number of divisions. It's the cone that has been subdivided. So basically it's just like this. I can control the radius, of course. And if I'm not wrong, I'm actually using this delete geometry just to get rid of some of the face. You don't need to do that, however. Let me adjust the cylinder as well. Yeah, I think this is more correct kind of shape that I want. Increase this. So we have our dome and tunnel. Very simple concept. And then what I did next is to distribute some points, random points, and on that points I want to instance some objects, or the objects is actually just a bunch of cones that's turned into a ring of different shapes. So ring with 3 sides, triangles, ring with 4 sides, and ring with a lot of points, so it's become circle. So I just randomly kind of scatter and realize the instance. So we have this kind of design. I thought that's pretty cool. And yeah, you can randomize this pavilion. It looks like a traditional kind of architecture. This you can play around with the size of this. Very simple pavilion, but I think it's kind of nice design overall. You can create another point light, and you can play around with point light to get the effect. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you find this interesting and useful. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.